Alright, so we have ran our generator for the 5-hour break-in period. So now we're going to change out that oil that came with it, as it says to do in the operation manual. So we have this elevated enough to put a oil drain pan underneath, and then I've got this cardboard here because it looked to me like the oil probably would hit this frame. I'm not positive about that, but it looks like it might. So I'm just using this cardboard to keep it off the frame, and that's a oil drain pan underneath. That's a 10mm socket that we're going to use to drain the oil. I just ran the engine a little bit. Hello. Okay. Just ran the engine a little bit to warm it up again. I'm gonna have to set this down to loosen that. I'm a popular dog over here. Okay, so we have this broke loose, and then we're just gonna take it off. Okay. Just gonna let that drain. Okay, so our oil has stopped draining. I'm gonna go ahead and put our drain bolt back in. Alright, I'm gonna clean out the pan and the cardboard, and then just snug it up a little bit with the wrench. Okay, so now that we've snugged up our drain bolt, it's time to add new oil. It says it takes 18.6 ounces approximately. It comes with this nice funnel here, and then I have measured out just a little over that. You need to use 10W30. I'd recommend your favorite brand of synthetic. I went ahead and invested in this gallon of AMSOIL, which is probably the best you can get. And since you don't need a lot for small engines, I can use this on my lawnmower, my pressure washer, and this. So just that 1 gallon is going to last me a while. Just changing them once a year. And my lawnmower and pressure washer only take 12 ounces. This takes about 18.6. So we're just going to add some oil, make sure we're at the right level on the dipstick, and then we'll be done with the oil change. I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down so I can use 2 hands. Alright, so it says 18.6 ounces. I put in right about 0.6 quarts and never did overflow, but that's closer to 20 ounces, so I just left it at that, and that's ready to go now. So that's the oil change.